How to AFK and grow a garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about how to stay AFK, that is away from keyboard, longer in grow a garden on Roblox without being kicked. So the best ways to stay AFK in grow a garden is to use an auto clicker, which is safe. Download a free auto clicker like GS auto clicker or OP auto clicker. Set it to click every 3 to 5 minutes, and this prevents the AFK kick timer. Click anywhere on the game UI, and some players click the water button or move the camera. Auto clickers are usually allowed unless the game rules say otherwise. Check the game's community guidelines or Discord to be sure. You can also try joining a private server. You won't be disturbed or reported in the private server, so you can leave the game running overnight with an auto clicker or macro. Farm moonlit mutations are other timed events, and private servers are great for lunar glow events and passive crop growth as well. So another trick is you can also simply press the hold and jump button and click on slash on the keyboard. And another thing you can do is you can try the rubber band trick. If you don't want to install software, use a rubber band or a small way to hold down a key like W or an arrow key. This keeps your character moving. Combine it with in-game treadmill if available, or walk against a wall to simulate the movement. And some updates might have AFK-friendly areas like benches or fire camps. These are rare but safe. Watch for the game patches or Discord announcements about these features. And the important tips include disabling the sleep mode on your PC, lower the graphics setting to prevent overheating if running overnight, and mute game audio so it does not bother you while AFK. Monitor your game the first time you go to AFK to make sure that your method works. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.